Welcome to Mitsubishi Chemical Carbon Fiber and Composites, Inc. MCCFC was founded after the merger of two Californian companies. In 2013, Graphil and Newport Adhesive Composites merged to create Mitsubishi Rayon Carbon Fiber and Composites, MRCFAC, and in 2017, we finally became Mitsubishi Chemical Carbon Fiber and Composites, MCCFC. Since then, we've acquired several other companies in the USA and have improved our technology and services tenfold. Our aim has always been to provide all of our customers with the best of services, and that's exactly what we do. Carbon fibers are an engineering material quite often used to make items such as bicycle frames, automotive parts, windmill or helicopter blades, sailboat masts and sails, aircraft brakes, and many other items. They're used in quite a lot of things, but what we do is make the raw materials that go into the manufacturing process of such items. Visitors, like contractors and vendors, that will be doing work in or around the manufacturing facility will require additional training. First things first, when coming on site, you will enter through the south gate. Dial 0 to ring the front office and tell them who you are and who you are there to see. Once through the gate, stay to your left as the road wides, and park in the spaces provided in front of the administration building. As you enter the lobby, the receptionist will provide you with a badge with your name on it. Please wear your badge so that we can easily identify you and your host if needed. Visitors that will be going into the manufacturing facility must be wearing appropriate business attire: closed-toed shoes, no high heels, no shorts. You will need to read and sign an agreement that states you are a U.S. citizen and will not share any of our technology with anyone. You will be provided with a package with personal protective equipment, which includes a hard hat and safety glasses. These must be worn in the manufacturing facility during your visit. We ask that you leave these at the front desk when you leave. Here at MCCFC Inc. Carbon Fiber Division in Sacramento, we take material from Japan and turn it into carbon fiber. As you will see, the manufacturing facility is a busy place. There will be forklift traffic, automobile and truck traffic, machine hazards, chemical hazards, to name a few. Visitors must understand that a manufacturing facility can be a dangerous place if you don't stick to protocols and follow the rules. So you will absolutely need to follow the following rules. Please, pay attention to and stay with your host at all times. Watch out for and follow all informational signage. There could be restricted areas. Do not enter areas where yellow caution or red danger tape is used to keep people out. Do not touch products or equipment. Cell phones can be a distraction. Please use only in safe locations, not in manufacturing areas. Stay on marked pathways designated for visitors. It's always best not to interrupt workers because they may be in the middle of a complex task, and we don't want anything to go wrong. Not for you, not for our team, and not for our customers. Next, pictures and videos are prohibited. And while it should go without saying, no alcohol, drugs, or weapons allowed on site. And if there is anything you need, please do ask your host, and they'll do their best to provide it to you. Emergency response. Anytime you're around a manufacturing site such as this, there is a risk of accidents happening. And of course, at Mitsubishi Chemical Carbon Fiber and Composites, Inc., we don't want that for anyone. Whether you're on our team or just visiting, we want you to be as safe as possible. Our manufacturing processes are always kept at a high standard to avoid any accidents or mishaps. But that won't do any good if you aren't taking care of yourself and keeping in mind the precautions put in place for your safety. If there were to be an emergency event during your visit, like a power outage, that's something most companies don't have any control over. And the only thing that you can do is follow protocol for an emergency exit. The most important thing in the case of a power outage is to evacuate from the facility and follow your host out to the emergency assembly area for roll call. We also have trained CPR team members on site and AEDs and fire extinguishers located throughout the facility. At Mitsubishi Carbon Fiber and Composites, Inc., we do our best to create a safe environment for all of our workers. and we wouldn't want anything putting them at risk. And of course, we care equally as much about our visitors and customers. That's why our host is always with you to guide you through the protocol and allow you to have a good visit to our facility, learning about our processes, scope of work, and everything else. We welcome you to our facility and are glad that you're here. Having visitors come on site gives us an opportunity to provide us with fresh perspective. We welcome any insights you may want to share with us, so please tell us if you see areas where we can improve. We ask that you leave these at the front desk when you leave. Thank you for visiting our facility, and be safe throughout your journey here and beyond.